Hi, and welcome to another episode of Chef Hacker Kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're making new videos all the time. You may notice that today I'm not in my normal Chef Hacker coat. That's because I'm not going to be doing the preparation today. Today that work is going to be handled by Aiden right here. So Aiden, what are you going to be making for us today?
Today I'm going to be making caramel star chocolate milk.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. Okay, well listen, I want one right away, so I'm going to get out of the shot and you can get going.
To start off our caramel star chocolate milk, we will need 3/4 of a cup of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of chocolate sauce, 1 tablespoon of caramel cream, and 1 teaspoon of cherry juice. Alright, first we're going to be pouring our whole milk into the glass. Second, you're going to take the chocolate and put it in here. It might take a little bit, no hurry. Then you're going to take the caramel cream and pour it in. Last but not least, the secret ingredient, the cherry juice. And mix. I like to check the bottom to see when you're done mixing, to see if all the chocolate's off the bottom. And then you're done.
All right, so there you have it. There is your caramel chocolate milk. So I don't know about Aiden, but I had a blast doing this today, and I think he's got another challenge for you as well.
Oh yeah, you can make your own. Caramel star chocolate milk with any kind of milk, and if you do that, you can post it down to us in chefhacker.com.
Oh, that's a great challenge. So if you don't drink milk and you like almond milk or you like oat milk, see if you can come up with a recipe and send it to us. All right, thank you very much, and let me once again thank my buddy Aiden for making this video.
I'll be back again.